Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a refreshing mojito lime and mint. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 lime wedges, 2 ounces of crisp white rum, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 3 ounces of sparkling club soda. Make sure you also have a sturdy muddler and a tall, chilled glass ready to create this delightful drink. Now, let's get to the fun part, muddling. Place your fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into the bottom of your glass. Gently press and twist them with your muddler about 3 to 4 times to release their aromatic oils and juices. Be careful not to over-muddle, as this can make the mint bitter. Next, pour in 1 ounce of simple syrup and 2 ounces of white rum. Once your mint, lime, syrup, and rum are in the glass, it's time to add the ice. Fill your glass about 2/3 full with crushed ice. This helps to chill the drink quickly and evenly. Then, top off your mojito with 3 ounces of sparkling club soda. Give it a gentle stir with a bar spoon to combine all the wonderful flavors without losing the fizz. Finally, add a fresh mint sprig and a lime slice for garnish. And there you have it, your perfectly crafted mojito lime and mint. Serve it immediately to enjoy its crisp, refreshing taste. The invigorating blend of fresh mint, zesty lime, and a hint of sweetness makes this a truly delightful drink. Whether you are hosting a gathering or simply unwinding after a long day, this classic cocktail is always a fantastic choice. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.